Let me teach you how to borrow games on Steam. So first you need to ask your friend to log in into your PC. So call your friend and tell him to log in into your PC. Once your friend logs in into your PC, what he needs to do is go on this Steam icon at the top left of your screen and then click on the settings icon. From inside settings, he needs to go inside family. Now once you're inside family, it's going to show you all these settings. Now remember, in order to share games, you and your friend needs to be inside the same family. Now if you don't know how to join a family in Steam, I have made a video on that topic. Watch that video. But if you are already under a family, it's going to show you this. Now your friend just needs to click on this. Once this is tick marked, it's going to show you your accounts over here. So ask your friend to tick mark these accounts and click on OK. Once you do that, you can ask your friend to log out from his account and log in into your account again. Once you do that, the game which he has installed in the PC, it's going to show up on your account as well. So I hope you guys understand how to borrow games on Steam. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.